Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, we will show you how you can enable or disable the ability to return missed calls from the lock screen when your iPhone is locked. In newer versions of iOS, Apple gives users the ability to either return missed calls from their locked iPhone or disable this functionality altogether. The addition of the return missed calls toggle gives users more control over how their device functions. You can turn this feature on or off by going to Settings and tapping on the Face ID and passcode. Enter your device's passcode to access the Face ID settings. Once you're in, scroll down until you find the Return Missed Calls toggle. It is found under the Allow Access When Locked heading. Here, turn the toggle for Return Missed Calls off if you don't want to allow anyone to call back by tapping on the notification for a missed call. This will improve your device's privacy and stop unauthorized callbacks. However, if you want to enable this feature and be able to return missed calls from the lock screen while your iPhone is locked, then simply turn this toggle on. After making your desired change, simply exit the Settings app. That's it. This is how you can enable or disable the Return Missed Calls feature for the lock screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.